On a Vortex spar, this here is called your diverter valve. Now what it does is it diverts water flow for different areas in your spar. On the control here, it can only turn 180 degrees. The same on the other side. This here is the only piece that moves. This here does not move. It is also the largest control on the top of your spar. What can occur over time is this here might become a bit stiff, right? And what you want to do is pull the diverter out. So what you do is you hold on to this piece here and simply turn this one and it comes off quite nicely. You can see here it has an O-ring. Please make sure when you remove or put back the diverter that that O-ring is sitting correctly. What you might find is grit or any sort of substance that's making it a bit hard to turn in these gaps here or anywhere in this part here. Simply give it a clean and then pop it back into your slot, hold this piece here and wind it back on. Thanks for watching.